guys, myself Apeksha P. Hari. Today I am going to tell you about the most mysterious place, and that is Bermuda Triangle. Everybody says that if someone goes there they never come back. First I will tell you what is this Bermuda Triangle. This Bermuda Triangle is located in western part of North Atlantic Ocean where number of aircrafts and ships have disappeared under some mysterious circumstances. And this is bounded by Florida, Puerto Rico and Bermuda Island, which form a triangle. It covers about 8 lakh square kilometers of ocean of the southeastern tip of Florida, which means it is more larger and bigger than Pakistan or Turkey country. There are many ships and aircrafts which have been disappeared, and some of ships and aircrafts have got underwater, but not where they lost their last connections, but in the other side of ocean. Even the people who were traveling in ships or aircrafts have not got till date. In 1498, Christopher Columbus, the founder of America, sailed through the area on his first voyage to the New World. He reported that a flame of fire, probably a meteor, crashed into the sea one night and the strange light appeared in the distance a few weeks later. He also wrote about a sudden change in climate. He also tells that at that time in that area compass also stops working, and that time the compass was the only way that to show the directions in the oceans. And they also tells that the ship was also getting disbalanced. However, he passed that area. In 1964, Vincent Caldes also written in his magazines that how the ships get stuck in that area and gets disappear. So he gave a name for Bermuda Triangle as the Devil's Triangle. If any ship goes there, the ship loses its control and the engine will stop working. Nobody gets to know what will happen, where the ships will get disappear. In August 1942, the Americans sent some aircrafts for their routine checks, but the aircrafts enter the triangle and within a fraction of seconds they loses their control and they also lose their connections, and the navigation also does not work, and the compass also stops working. After few days, rescue teams also go there. They also get disappear. Again in December 1942, Americans take flight from Florida. They also traveled from Bermuda Triangle, but they also get disappear. The pilot says that his compass is not working and navigation is not working, and it get disappeared. After some years, in 1917, there was a person who came back from that place, and that is Bruce Gallen. After coming back, he said what he experienced in that area. He said when he took flight from upon Bermuda Triangle, the climates get changed and the radio frequency also stops working. He also says that when he was moving, there was a dark clouds were coming like a den of dark clouds, which were not stopping at all. The speed of the plane gets high. They were not getting what to do. They went on moving, and after spending 3 to 4 minutes in that zone, the climates get better. When he lands, he notices that in 3 minutes he covered 150 kilometers. That means the speed gets high 3000 kilometer per hour, which is not possible by any normal planes. Everybody thinks that there is an invisible magnetic force that attracts all the ships and aircrafts, but nothing is mysterious here. It's all natural. There is nothing supernatural power behind it. There is a scientific reason behind it. The reasons are that there are some volcanoes under the water that erupts. When volcanoes get erupted, they produce some methane gases, and these gases get mixed with water and results in low density. The ships are designed on the density of water. If there is low density, the ships get sink in the water, and with the low density, person also can't swim and get sink in water. And the other reason is in the places of Bermuda Triangle there are some ocean mountains. When air gets crashed with the mountains form a big storm which results in ocean, and ocean's waves get up and form a storm there. In that case, if their aircrafts come, they get stuck in that storm and results in accident. There are some other mountains which are inside the ocean, which we are not able to see because they are under the water and they do not come outside. If a ship is coming, the captain of a ship are unable to see the mountains and they get crashed to the mountains and ship goes under the water. The most accidents have become on aircrafts because of hexagonal clouds, which was first found on Saturn planet. The area of the hexagonal cloud is 50 km square area. The area in the clouds will be this fast, which forms a big storm, and the speed will be 250 km per hour. If any plane get in this cloud, the air in the cloud may destroy the plane. If the pilot wants to come out of the clouds, then he should go opposite of the air pressure. If he goes opposite of the air pressure, then the plane gets destroyed. If he goes straight to the air, then it makes the plane speed high. That is why the plane speed get automatically high. There is nothing mysterious about it. There is nothing sea monster or aliens under the water. It's all natural. And this type of accidents were happening first because that time technology was not that vast, and now the accidents in Bermuda Triangle have been reduced. It is safe now. And there is another Bermuda Triangle which is located in Japan. They called it as Asian Bermuda Triangle, but Japan has kept its name as Dragon Triangle. It's same as Bermuda Triangle. Now ships can go safely around Bermuda Triangle and there is no thing to afraid it. Thank you.